Good day, guys. Welcome back to the channel. Those of you that are yet to subscribe and you've not done that, make sure you do also click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also, guys, if you are yet to follow the Telegram channel, you will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. So go to the Telegram channel, follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. I'll be giving guys back-to-back updates there. So let's see what we'll be expecting for the week on our Euro JPY. Let's start with our trend, which is on our daily time frame. You clearly can see we are in our uptrend move. Our trend on Euro JPY is an uptrend move. Now let's go down to daily time frame. So we see something like this. This is our high. For quick analysis, by the way, I'm starting it from here. Higher low. Here we had the higher high, and here comes the higher low. Market eventually gave us that bullish move and formed higher high, which took out this previous high. We've gotten the higher low. Now market is pushing up, about to form a new higher high. So market is about to form a new higher high, and that new higher high should take out this previous high. So basically our massive movement is to the upside. So a little bit of, you can see it here, high, little bit of a pullback, and this massive movement, expect another pullback, then another movement to the upside. So above all, we should be expecting a bullish move this week on EURJPY. So the best time to enter are for swing traders. Wait for your pullback to play out. Once your pullback plays out, then you can now hop in for the buy. Do not hop in for the buy yet because this massive move have already been made. Just be patient and wait for your pullback before you can hop in on the buy again to the upside on the EURJPY for the week. And also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. I'll put the link in the comment section.